We'll stick with the wind now. Public safety power shutoff still in effect for some PG&E customers across the East Bay. If you look at the purple spots on the map, you see a lot of them are in Alameda County.
ABC 7 News reporter Tim Johns joining us live now in Livermore with the very latest. And I can see it's breezy out there, Tim.
Yeah, Larry, Julian, there are 1,000 people without power around the Bay Area, according to PG&E. 650 of those are in Alameda County. Now, most of the areas impacted are actually in non-residential parts, kind of like the one I'm standing in here in Livermore. But that's something, guys, that PG&E tells me is by design. Strong winds in the Livermore area Friday, prompting a series of public safety power shutoffs. PG&E says they've been monitoring the weather event for days. Spokesperson Tamar Sarkeesian says the strong gusts are the biggest risk factor when it comes to potential fires.
We can see things like branches getting thrown into our lines, debris, healthy trees getting uprooted because of the powerful winds.
Those powerful winds disrupted one Livermore neighborhood Friday. Roland Harding and his wife have lived in this house for 56 years. PG&E shut off the power for the Hardings and some of their neighbors after some branches from a nearby tree collided with a power line.
If it were more than several hours, then that'd be a problem.
Harding took us into his backyard to show us some of the other trees that worry him, pointing out not just the vegetation, but the power poles that run close by.
On the other side of the house, on the other side of this one, so it's down by the apartments, that's one that looks really vulnerable.
For those who have lost power, PG&E has set up community resource centers in several locations. At the Livermore one, Sarkeesian tells us those who use it can get a bag of supplies to help them get through the PSPS.
It's got water, a little snack bar, it's got a portable charger, and also a blanket.
Despite the blustery conditions, PG&E says they've tried to keep the number of people impacted small while still prioritizing safety.
And that's all by design. We have been working to underground lines. We've also hardened the lines that are above ground and the equipment that's above ground, and we're able to sort of narrow things down.
Now, PG&E says they're unsure of when these PSPS events will actually end. That, of course, will be determined by when this wind finally dies down. I'm live in Livermore. Tim Johns, ABC 7 News.